Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the sweep entry model, which I have took in Euro NZD trade. So this one you can see here. Just one second. Yeah, here you can see it's a monthly time frame. Okay, on monthly time frame, it has given a recent sweep. You can see it is a recent sweep. Okay, so I'll mark it as a sweep. Okay, and then when we drop down to 1 hour time frame, here you can see here it has given one more sweep. Okay, here it has given one more sweep, so I will mark it as a sweep. Then once we get a confirmation on 1 hour time frame with the sweep, okay, so I drop down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on 15 minutes time frame, you see here what happened. Market was going up. Okay, it gave a pullback small. Okay, then it gave a small reaction upside. Okay, then it gave a market structure shift to the downside. See the market structure shift to the downside. Okay, and this one was sweep, so the candle does not close above. Okay, the candle does not close above. So here when we enter here, we will not wait for IDM or any liquidity. We will only wait for the price to come to the liquidity candle. The candle which grabbed the liquidity, it should come to that candle only in this range. Okay, in this range. Yes, I'll mark it. Okay, in this whole range. Okay, in this whole range, we will wait for the one candle that grab the liquidity, so the price can come to that, and then we will enter. Okay, so I was waiting for this thing. I was waiting for this candle to come, price to come, and then I entered the trade. Okay, just one second. Yeah, here you can see I entered the trade, and this is 1:11 trade. Okay, also I'll show you my MT5 account. Okay, this is my MT5 account. So half has been booked. Okay, half has been booked here, and half is running. So you can see it's sell and SL is above here still, and half is running. So I'll put the SL to the break even now. Okay, I bought this SL to break even. Okay, and what are the targets? So the targets are, if you see, it's a monthly sweep. Okay, it's a monthly sweep, so at least the target should be either below this candle or this liquidity here. You can see this liquidity, this whole liquidity pending here. All equal lows are there, right? So this whole equal lows will be taken out. This is my view. I don't know whether market will respect this view or not, but I'll mark it as liquidity. Okay, so yeah, you can see it's whole liquidity here. So, and there is no order block downside. Okay, there is no order block downside unless this. If you see here, okay, here we have FVG. One FVG is here, and there is no FVG above. There is no FVG above. So ultimate target would be this. But if you have seen that I put the trade on the break even, and I am waiting. If the price comes back and takes my SL and then goes back, so we can't do anything. But if price goes down from here directly, so I will be waiting with its 0.1 lot only. So I'll be waiting till here, till the target. Okay, thank you. You can ask the question if the in the comment box, and also do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.